Welcome to Chetna Vibrations. In today's video, we explore powerful affirmations for nurturing and strengthening friendships. These positive statements will help you attract supportive, loving friends and deepen your existing connections. Join us in embracing the joy and growth that come from meaningful relationships. Let's create a circle of positivity and mutual support together. I am surrounded by friends who love and support me. My friendships are built on mutual respect and understanding. I attract positive and uplifting friendships. I am a caring and compassionate friend. I am grateful for the friends in my life. My friends appreciate me for who I am. I nurture my friendships with love and attention. My friends and I support each other's growth. I am open to forming deep and meaningful friendships. I bring joy and positivity to my friendships. My friendships are a source of strength and comfort. I am trustworthy and dependable. I communicate openly and honestly with my friends. I appreciate the unique qualities of each of my friends. My friendships enrich my life. I am surrounded by friends who encourage and inspire me. I invest time and effort in my friendships. My friends and I create beautiful memories together. I am a good listener and offer support when needed. My friendships are balanced and mutually beneficial. I celebrate the successes and achievements of my friends. I am patient and understanding in my friendships. I attract friendships that are aligned with my values. I cherish the laughter and joy my friends bring into my life. My friends and I share a deep and meaningful connection. I am grateful for the lessons I learned from my friendships. I am surrounded by friends who accept me unconditionally. My friends are filled with love and positivity. I am a source of encouragement and motivation for my friends. I trust my friends and feel secure in our relationships. My friends are a priority in my life. I am open to new friendships and connections. I am grateful for the love and support my friends provide. We appreciate your participation on Chetna Vibrations. Click the bell icon to subscribe to receive more inspirations and ideas. Thank you.